Is Python difficult than HTML? Let's check out the complexity in both. HTML and Python are two different programming languages with different purposes and structures. HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language and is used for creating web pages and web applications. Python, on the other hand, is a general-purpose programming language used for a wide range of applications including software development, scientific computing, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. COMPARISION. When it comes to comparing the difficulty level of HTML and Python, HTML is a markup language, meaning it is used to structure content on a web page. It is relatively easy to learn, as it has a simple syntax and does not require any programming skills. Python, on the other hand, is a full-fledged programming language, meaning it can be used to create complex applications with sophisticated logic and functionality. Python has a more complex syntax and requires a deeper understanding of programming concepts, making it more challenging to learn. HTML Basics. HTML is a markup language used for creating web pages. It is used to structure content on a web page by adding tags and attributes to text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements. HTML tags are used to mark up content, and attributes provide additional information about the content. For example, the tag is used to mark up paragraphs, and the class attribute can be used to assign a class to the paragraph. Python Basics. Python is a high-level programming language used for a wide range of applications. It is a general-purpose language, meaning it can be used to create software, websites, scientific applications, and much more. Python has a more complex syntax than HTML, and requires a deeper understanding of programming concepts such as variables, functions, loops, and data structures. Python code is executed by an interpreter, which reads the code and executes it one line at a time. Python is a dynamically typed language, meaning you don't need to specify the data type of a variable when you create it. Python has a wide range of libraries and frameworks that make it easier to create complex applications. For example, the NumPy library is used for scientific computing, the Django framework is used for web development, and the TensorFlow library is used for machine learning. Which one is easier? Comparing the difficulty level of HTML and Python is difficult, as they are designed for different purposes and require different skills to master. HTML is a markup language. It is relatively easy to learn, as it has a simple syntax and does not require any programming skills. With practice, you can create simple web pages in a short amount of time. Python, on the other hand, is a full-fledged programming language, meaning it can be used to create complex applications with sophisticated logic and functionality. Python has a more complex syntax and requires a deeper understanding of programming concepts, making it more challenging to learn. In conclusion, both HTML and Python are important tools for developers and have their own unique strengths and weaknesses.